Hi friend, Chad Reyes here. Glad to spend some time with you. I hope you had a awesome Thanksgiving, enjoyed your time with your family and friends. And as we're coming towards the end of this year, I want to share with you about, are we preparing or are we repairing? The end of the year for me, the last 2 months of the year is always a time where I start preparing for the upcoming year. And I start getting intentional about what are we going to be doing both personally and professionally in the upcoming year. And I block out time. If you've listened to any of our other videos, typically I block out a few weeks of ongoing time to develop and create the strategy for this new year. Well, that's if you're preparing. But if in 2020 you lived a life that was not intentional, you may be spending all the end of the year repairing all of the problems that happened from the earlier part of this year. Everything you and I want for this upcoming year is on this side of preparing. Obedience, discipline, preparation. Because the life that you and I want for 2021 is never going to be just by accident. Success doesn't happen by accident. The people, sometimes I hear people say they were overnight success, and what they don't realize is they were an overnight success that was in process for 15, 20, 25 years. And as you come into 2021, I want you to spend time to prepare for that year. Because the more time that you take to prepare, what is my year going to look like? What are the things that I want to accomplish in that year? Who are the people I want to surround myself with? What are the things that I don't want to do anymore? Who's the person I want to become? As you prepare for 2021, the better chance you'll have of success if you prepare. And what I've often seen is those that don't take the time to prepare and to really create a game plan, they find that a lot of the time that they have is spent repairing all the problems. Life is a sum of our choices. And if we're intentional and we prepare for this upcoming year, we'll be able to look back a year from today and say, wow, this was one of the best years I've had, and I was more intentional than ever before. And like I always say, intentionally good is a lot different than having good intentions. So I'm encouraged for you. I believe that 2021 is going to be your best year yet, but it's going to take a new level of preparation and discipline. My friend, we believe in you. Continue. And until next week, God bless and have a great day.